again, old and new friends. I'm Lena, lead designer at Annie's, and I'm giving you a warm welcome to this quick stitches and tips episode of Annie's Creative Studio. Today, we will have a lot of fun making pom-poms. Yes, for you who knows me, you also know how much I love decorating with pom-poms, from tiny to big ones. What really makes me so excited about pom-poms are that they are so easy to make. Anyone can make a pom-pom. You can use up your scraps, not to mention that they make all kinds of great decorations. If you're not a member of Annie's Creative Studio yet, you can sign up to start watching and download patterns for free today.